Right, y'all, I'm here with Kylo, enjoying sliding rock, which is just a little ways up that way. Just came down a little ways so I could kind of let him hang out with his little leash on, away from people. Yeah, the water is freezing cold, but it's so cool that you can just go down this river and do whatever you want, really. I've just been laying in these shallow pools throughout. It's been good. Current's pretty strong in some spots. As you can see, it'll push you down just a little bit, just because the rocks are like super slippery. I usually try to look for the spots with the sand in them, so you can get a little bit of, at least a little bit of grip. Yeah, Pisgah National Forest, if you've never been here, just check it out. I think you'll really have a great experience here. The fee to get into sliding rock was like $5 up there at the gate. And then there's plenty of parking. A little bit packed today. A lot of people sliding down the actual rock face. But this spot down here, as you can see, I pretty much have it all to myself. So yeah, all right.